Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your WhatsApp business profile. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's open the profile in the WhatsApp business. Open WhatsApp business and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select Settings. Now tap on the top profile. Here is the WhatsApp business profile and we're going to optimize it. First, your profile picture is the first thing customers see. So make sure to use a high-quality business logo or a professional image that represents your brand. Tap on your profile icon and choose the option Gallery. Select the image you want to be your profile picture, resize it, and tap on Done. Next, tap on Business Name and make sure your business name is clear, recognizable, and matches your branding. WhatsApp does not allow name changes once set, so choose it wisely. You also need to write a compelling business description. Your business description should briefly explain what your company does. Keep it short, clear, and engaging. Now add your business category. Select the appropriate category that best describes your business. This helps customers understand what your business is about at a glance. You should also update your business hours. Specify your working hours so customers know when to expect a response. If you offer 24/7 support, mention it in your profile. Finally, add your contact details. Make it easy for customers to reach you by adding your business email and website. This builds trust and improves credibility. One other thing you need to keep in mind is to regularly update your profile. Keep your profile information up to date to reflect any changes in services, business hours, or contact details. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.